Black holes are some of the weirdest and most unique objects in space. Not even light can escape their grasp. As you may know, space is mostly a vacuum, devoid of sound and inhospitable to life. However, lurking in the vast darkness of the cosmos lies a supermassive black hole, a monstrous entity capable of unleashing terror beyond our imagination. Recently, astronomers discovered that this behemoth 250 million light-years away was sending out sound waves, causing ripples through the gas in the Perseus galaxy cluster. NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory captured the audio of this intergalactic howl, a bone-chilling howl that resonates through the void, reminding us of the sheer power and terror that lurks in the depths of space. So, beware, for the cosmos is not as silent as we once thought. These waves are too low for human ears to register, yet they are there, a haunting reminder of the immense gravitational force that is capable of devouring entire stars and planets. The recording of these sound waves serves as a warning to us all, a reminder of the sheer scale and power of the universe. As we gaze into the depths of space, we must remember that we are but tiny specks in a vast and terrifying cosmos. Now I know most of you will be saying there is no sound in space, and you would be right. Sound cannot travel through the vacuum of space, as it requires a medium to propagate, such as air or water. However, sound waves can be detected in space if they occur in a medium such as gas or plasma. The sound waves detected in the Perseus galaxy cluster are actually pressure waves rippling through the hot gas that surrounds the supermassive black hole. These waves create variations in the density of the gas, which can be detected by instruments such as the Chandra X-ray Observatory. By converting these variations into sound waves, we can hear the otherwise silent activity of the universe. This technique has been used to create recordings of other astronomical phenomena, such as the sounds of the sun or the whistling of magnetic fields around planets. Now let's listen to the NASA recording of a supermassive black hole. Truly disturbing. What do you all think of this finding from NASA? Let me know. If you enjoy this video and would like to see more, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Also, if you have any science, space or tech related topics you would like me to make a video on, please share them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.